yearly motocross race, like a local race in Northampton. I think it's like the oldest motocross scramble in the world. I think this is the 95th time that they're running it. So it should be cool. I had a big crash about 5 weeks ago. I'm sure most of you'll know, and hit my head pretty hard and banged my body up pretty good. So I'm not actually sure if I can ride. I'm gonna try ride, but mainly I just wanted to show you guys how cool this event is. I did it for the first time, I think in 2015, and it's insane. Like they build like 3 water holes, and there's probably like 4,000 or 5,000 people come watch it. It's like a Boxing Day like tradition. So yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys that. Should be pretty cool. Like people like submarining their bikes and stuff like that. So we'll try to get some cool footage for you guys and just kind of show you guys what it's all about.
Oh, okay.
But I don't think it's a 1 to 5 thing. Like it's a 450 track because it's so easy.
Are we nipping back? Oh no, we can't.
We don't have a 450. Cheers, mate.
What kit are you wearing then? What kit are we going for?
What kit?
Yeah.
Darkest, blackest, anti-stain stuff that there is. Your dad being Welsh was a mud king, mud rat.
Long time ago.
Was until he...
Dude, she's too good for the wild and woolly, isn't it?
She's proper.
Fuck, you can't be taking that thing to the water.
Oh my god, I'm covered in mud!
There's a lot of people building them now. They've seen
Is it?
like
You right, Tad?
yeah.
started about 5th or 6th, and I managed to get into the lead and got like a nice lead. I don't know, like quite far lead, and then yeah, my shoulder started to hurt quite bad, and I kind of lost strength to wheelie through the holes and stuff, and I managed to submerge it twice, and then the third time, yeah, the bike just cut out. I think I must have just taken water through, so it ran out. So I ended up doing about 25 minutes, I think, and then it was game over. So in a way, I'm bummed, because it's obviously always nice to finish a race, and you get taught to finish a race, but then also not that bummed because my shoulder is absolutely killing. And yeah, just hopefully the bike just took water through so I can fix it. But yeah, just cool to see how many people, like so many people there, and whoever won that, fair play, got some stones.